Hi, it's Kristen here. As some of you know, I'm addicted to buying other people's scrap fabrics. So today I'm showing you a Kaffe Fassett or Kaffe Fassett. I'm sure I'm not saying his name right. Fabric haul. He's a fabric designer, if you don't know who I'm talking about, who does these bold kind of prints. When I first saw some of his fabrics, I wasn't super keen, but more of the florals I think I'm starting to like. Really since I started playing with collage quilting, I've started to like it a bit better. Anyway, I got two bundles, one from eBay and one from a Facebook marketplace kind of quilters destashing group. I talk about all these ways to buy cheap fabrics in another one of my videos, which I'll link to in the description and up above. Anyway, so I think the total between the two lots was something like 42 pounds British money. So I'm in Edinburgh. I think that's around 50 American, something like that. And it's a lot. So there's, as you can see, various different sizes of triangles, rectangles, squares, and then all of these strips. There were a few bits of a fabric that wasn't Kaffe Fassett. So I think this is Amy Butler, these floral ones. So I'm thinking of doing obviously a scrap quilt with all of these, and I think I will leave these out. I'll leave her fabrics out because they're just a little bit different. And I think there's a few of her strips in this, but basically there's some thin, I haven't measured them. I think they're probably probably 1.5 inches, some of them, and 2.5 inches. I really like these floral ones with the stripes on the back. I think they might be somehow the centerpiece of some blocks for this quilt. But basically, I'm showing you for those of you who like to ogle fabric hauls, but also to get some suggestions maybe. What would you do with these? I'm, thinking things like log cabins, or with the triangles, I could add some solid fabrics and do some flying geese or some other kind of blocks with half square triangles, because they're all sorts of different sizes. And then I could use the strips to sash them up to blocks that match each other, or I could just do different sections of a quilt that are totally random. Anyway, shoot me your ideas. I would love to hear what you would do with this load of fabric. So I hope you liked having a look. And if you do like scrap fabric hauls or scrap fabric quilting, please do subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.